Hey, it's Rennie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make these cute felt flowers. So Cricut Design Space has a bunch of different flowers that you could choose from. I just went ahead and typed in 3D flowers and found a couple I wanted to try out today. For today's project, I will be using the pink fabric mat. So I already went ahead and cut some felt, and I wanted to show you that the felt fibers just stick right to the mat. So to prevent that, I'm going to apply some transfer tape right on top of my mat and then put the felt on top of that. And that will also extend the life of your mat. I'm using the Cricut transfer tape. It's just a standard grip one. And I'm going to apply it with the sticky side up. And I'm going to take one of my felt sheets. I'm using the stiff felt, and I ordered this on Amazon. So I'm just going to apply that right onto the transfer tape. Okay, let's talk about tools. Now the question is, do you use your fine point blade or your rotary blade? So they'll both get the job done, but I felt like I get better results when I use my rotary blade, so that's what I'll be using in today's video. So I'm just going to install my rotary blade into clamp B. And then I can insert my mat. Now that the light's flashing, I know that my machine's ready to cut. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the rest of my flowers, and then I will show you how to glue them together. It's always my favorite part, seeing how my design cut out. My leaf just finished cutting, so I wanted to show you how much the transfer tape saves your mat. Just going to go ahead and remove my felt. You can see now all the felt fibers are onto this transfer tape, so I could just go ahead and peel this off and my mat will be clean. My glue gun's nice and hot now, so I'm ready to start assembling the flowers, and I'm going to apply the glue just a couple inches at a time onto the felt. I'm going to start at the end here, roll up the flower. Careful not to burn yourself. Now the trick is you want the bottom to stay as flat as possible. So this is how it's coming along so far. So I'm going to apply some more hot glue. Okay, I'm at the end here, and there's this little circle, so I'm just going to put a dab of hot glue right here and then press the circle down. And I like that that makes a nice flat surface, or if you're going to put it on some type of garland or a headband. For my other two flowers, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps. So I just finished rolling my 3 flowers. It honestly didn't take very long at all, especially once you get the hang of it. So on the back of this one, I just hot glued some leaves to it. I think that looks pretty cute. I also think it'd be fun to experiment with different size flowers and other leaves, and maybe even add these to a garland. So thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video.